Sweet Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Yeah. No other place would let me feel this way. Like Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Yeah. OneKnockTV, you know me, I tell you, see them not easy. Trust me, it's one knock. I just one knock. Yeah. And this a Gully Bop, I industry one here. I wanna see the interview here. Big interview this. The interview is normal. So that interviewer say if you're not straight, you cannot be amongst the Bop. Okay, straight. Yeah.
Bop, how you doing, sir?
Yeah, you know, good, but bad on the other side.
Alright. Noticed that you were in Guyana a few days ago. Tell us about that show.
Yeah, Guyana is something else, you know. Right now, the love of Guyana have for me. I don't know if I say it. But bigger Guyana, you know. My career is normal like Guyana. The 27 corner in Guyana, love Gully Bop. Everybody at Guyana is a Gully Bop. Yeah. So right now, I have a big piece of love in my heart for Guyana. I love the whole world, but I send out a special request to Guyana, trust me. Everybody got Guyana big up on themselves straight, you know? Because that's my music, them big. My music, them big in Guyana.
So is Guyana the only Caribbean country you're really getting recognition from?
Every Caribbean. Who see me from, who not see me. Trinidad, St. Vincent, Tobago, Antigua, St. Martin. Yo, I haven't done call, because the whole of the island never go. Love me. When I go there, I get special love. I'm finding out my song big. My song them big over here.
Alright, so comparing both markets, Jamaica and overseas market, how are they in comparison to Jamaica in the sense of music sales?
By distant. I'm not tell about no short distance either. Distance from same place as Jamaica to which part them there so far. Them places that lead you know music selling and promoting and in everything in the music. Them a lead you. Because here we are going to Jamaica now. Remember, you know, Gully Bop, a band Jamaica. And me, I go there Jamaica. In the slum, on the Gully Bank, in the Aki Tree, Mango Tree, years and years and years. No producer know me, Gully Bop them know me. Them know Gully Bop. Them know me as countryman. Now me get a bus in Jamaica as a sample. Nobody never bus in Jamaica like Gully Bop bus. And my bus is not a little ordinary bus. Yeah? A big bus. So, at the whole world, my bus in one time, you know. Social media bus. Facebook, YouTube, anything to do with the internet. Bus me. So when the internet bus you, it bus you in the four corners of the world. No people try the internet for bus, you know. But I know just that. You have to bus with love behind the bus. Because if love not behind the bus I go punch a road and now I'm going away. Which part me go overseas and some place and see the love of people have for me. I can't bad mind and say Jamaica don't have no love for me. The love of Jamaica people have for me. Concrete. Everywhere I go in Jamaica people love me. People crazy if you see Gully Bop same way. And my name now still. Jamaica. Straight. That's why I always have to tell them this. Hear that we are going. Yeah, listen. No other place would make me feel this way. Like Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Yeah. More time we make a tour in a sweet Canada. But no way like sweet Jamaica. Yeah, man, straight up. No way like sweet Jamaica to me. And it's like how gotta flourish Jamaica. I see him as I gotta flourish my career all over the world. So when a little man see a youth like me, I try. And him a try, he say he can hold long Gully Bop or flop Gully Bop. No man, I try it, man. Anybody have a pick at me, Father God gotta put a pick at them. Because when Father God put a pick at them, you know, remember me tell you something, you know. Can't stop a flowers from bloom, man. Matter you chop off the head, you know. One day it will creepy and take time grow, you know, and go watch it. Till you go on the one day you see a big blooming flowers on it. Yeah, man. Can't stop the plant from bloom, man.
Speaking about that,
Yeah.
like even since recently in social media, I noticed like a lot of people don't know your songs. Like locally, they aren't really familiarized with your songs because you know that the local market is very competitive, right? With other artists, although you're in your own little lane. But like I was listening to another a vlogger on social media, and he was saying like Gully Bop, the way that Gully Bop life is currently, it has surpassed his music. And in my mind, due to the fact that I know what's going on with you, right? I know that you're out in the streets and you're doing your thing overseas. But Jamaica is unaware of the impact that you have overseas, and there are some, not all, some are not giving you the ratings that you deserve. So what do you have to say about people like those who think that your little personal life is overshadowing your music?
I'm going to tell you where I go on now. Every man chooses themselves. That's why they get shaking in life. Because they love follow what people I do. I don't want to follow what you do. Gully Bop I do music. It the whole world, everybody love my music. Right now, I'm here the leader. So all who, when you hear them things on the media, you know, remember, you know, I know 10 people as I say, you know, all 4 like a person sit down in them house and them say it and them put it all over the media. Look, no? That is just like a ants in a cup of water. Them don't know nothing about my career. Let me tell you something. Me a season, let me tell you straight up, I come like season, like chicken season, all purpose. Me a all purpose, let me tell you something. Yeah? If you put the test, me season chicken, you put me to the test, yeah? Me spice up pork, anything you want to do. Yeah, beef, chop it up, straight up. So let me tell you something. Me in everything. Yeah. But the thing when me not fi in, me not in, cause me not in where you in. So, I miss the media. And the music alone is a career. Music is just a drama in a life. People sing music, reality people listen to your music, love your music. Yeah, me there so chat some people business. People love it, yeah? Yeah, the part of the people me love people business. Yeah, me there on the media, me and Amari them a war. Yeah, people love that cause people love going to people business. Yeah, give it to them. Yeah, me control a side of people too. Control the reggae music people, control the mix up people, but me not control your people. Who no like me, not control for no people, because I don't know if for no people, I just for no people. Yeah, me not play the part of the world. So right now, me na music and everything, drama, comedy, anything you want to test me upon, yeah, that's me. I would like to have 50 wife, yeah? Simple. And all of them I cook, wanna wash, wanna clean, wanna brush up my shoes, wanna press my pants, wanna do everything in a life. Yeah, that's my life living. No business with me. Oh, Gully Bop at One Knock.
So tell us about some of the shows that fans can see you on.
Alright, then can look for me at Bahamas. The 30th. Yeah, me I'll tell you for the 30th. Come shell out Bahamas in the stadium in 2 minutes. Gully Bop. Yeah, you know say Bahamas now, I go Bahamas go give them a good show. I don't make give good show everywhere I go still, but I go Bahamas.
A lot of questions were being asked on social media about you and Sumfest. Do you have an idea why you weren't on Sumfest?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm not going to really answer no question about no Sunfest.
So for local fans, what about local fans? Are they going to see it on a show anytime soon?
What you call local fans?
As in Jamaican fans?
No.
You have any shows planned for here?
You couldn't. In an interview, when I take the answer, they like say local fans. Oh, the fuck? That couldn't come in. Because Jamaican fans them could never be my local fans. Because one thing straight up, me I tell you, Bop ain't had no local fans. Local fans are hypocrite fans who say love you and I love you. Me not have them fans there. My fans are some real people who are for me, stone for me. Yeah, shell out people for me. My fans are real people. My fans are like God. Yeah, I don't think nobody depend. When I really depend fans like certain people.
So this song, tell us about this song.
Listen. I don't think I'm going to tell the people, listen. Never gonna see me good and I know do. Never that you will not a go to go most. I beat them the thing we now pick up. Now pick it up. We now go take it up. We now go to nobody tell them stick it up. I them the dirty life. Them want me pick up. I be at to this here we are go both. Yeah. See the thing I wrote now, you know? Them song there. But right now, when I focus on still, I just focus on my career because in a life, you know, life funny, you know. Life is one funny thing. My granny always tell me some little things and come like say I don't want to grow up and take up and things I made, but it's touring on me. She always say, I man take nigga and yam rice. You understand? I man take nigga and yam rice. I don't know what she mean. If you feel nigga and yam rice, I better not go food. Don't go man.
So do you have an EP coming out or album?
When I work on the album, in natural entertainment, I'm telling you something, them have some good with them and them push out the tune on my road right now, straight up, I tell you. But right now, I always love our partner. I love our partner in the music thing. But I'm telling you something, every partner I try, yo, them look a break. But I'm telling them about Gully Bop now. Gully Bop have some good bad mind fans, you know. Yeah. Some good bad mind fans. And those fans is my defender. So if you feel say you just come in a career to get a bus and feel say you go furlong, you have a furlong without the bop. You cannot keep up without the bop because the people them said keeping up with the bop. So anybody when you want to keep up with the bop and go like you want to come psych to get a pop up of the bop, you're gonna flop. And I say flop, you go worse than you did stay in a life. Right now, Amari, you know, I don't disrespect nobody, but she had a shave up her, you know, cut up herself, she getting mad because of the bop. You see the good art of bop, if you come amongst me and shake it, God will beat you bad. Because God put me as up for a reason, you know. That me I tell you, God know the work of me I do. That's why me ain't gonna flop. You niggas who talking bad about Mr. Bop who are not my fans and talking bad things about the Bop, you're not gonna see me flop. Because God see what me I do and you not see what me I do. And if me did I do things bad, God make Bop flop long time from the first week my boss. I could even enter sting me that pop like me that flop long time. Because the amount of the upon me so I can't make sting. Sting ain't do nothing for me, make. Alright. Sting dead. Me blow up birthday night. The next year the man in town was bite me. And I learned to make the only good back here. Yo. Because him bite me, it flop. I don't know about another year where I come in. I don't know. I don't know. But Gully Bop can bring it back anytime it need to come. Because my name Mr. Done and Kenneth Done. So right now, and next thing to you know, You know, say, then get bad minds until, yo, them all I tell people on the road, say, you cannot push tune with them boy there. Back off of that, man. Don't try to intimidate no man you see have no song for me. You me a chat in a big hole. Straight up. You me a chat boy. Big shit belly boy. You me a chat. You know yourself. I don't need have to call your name. I try to tell people say, no push no tune at Gully Bop. Jamaica nice, you know. But it's like an ant in a cup of water to the world. So I said, my thing out there going good. You have to love the media if you know where Gully Bop are going good. You have to love the media to know what Gully Bop keeping up with. After me at Jamaica, she say, the same man them go and broke me before me reach. Turn around and say people have to play a song with me. Then I couldn't dare amongst them. And I tried to pay a CD and 45 tune to go road. They want me flap and them have try flap me. I have to say yes, but me keep up with who boss me. Think who boss me is the media. Me keep up with the media and can't flap. When I'm not Chin story, a Danik story, a Rica story, yeah, a Amari story, yeah, say Gully Bop a 5 baby mother up there, so one of them I say, hey, when I get the money, money. You see the one day that when they kissy boss you about money, me have to get the money, pull it. I ain't got no money to give you, kissy. Yeah, she said she pregnant, but the baby there. My God, right father get it. I'm gonna wash the face. Here we are going, man. Gully Bop is a very smart man. You're music girl. Me not go flop because you won't go with me flop unless Trinidad sink, St. Vincent sink, St. Martin, St. Kitts, St. Christ, New York, California, the whole of America. Right. Straight up. I them thing I Gully Bop come, I them levels are different right now. Yo, natural, I wanna kill them. You know why? When you love someone, I need to love you. When you need someone, I need to need you. Something for real life and they do see you. Hunting for your love and they don't own you. That I stay. I'm cool in Bobsy. I'm cool. General Gully Bop, tell me if you do want it, you like me. Straight up, me I tell you. Tell me if you wanna be the wifey. Straight up, tell me. Tell me love you here, I love you dear, and everywhere. Straight up. The bop love my girl like I don't care. Listen and beat it. Yeah. Them men are normal. Straight up. We don't ever know Gully Bop bad, so listen. One listener song until it's done. Them way you may take it to them. No other way. Listen this now. Searching for my love and nobody there. Looking for my life and there is nothing. I wanna feel say finish it. When you love someone and they don't love you. Yo, When you're in town and they don't need you. Thinking about the love and they don't see you. Hunting for a life and they do own you. That nice, yeah, yeah. I'm going back, say, yeah. I'm good. Ba ba da da ba da da ba da ba ba ba. Ba ba da da ba da da ba ba ba. Real and natural entertainment, musical, record, label, natural. Straight natural things we deal with around here. So right now, this interview here, it's all about Gully Bop and himself. Right now, Rica upscheme the thing. Natural entertainment, Rica and Gully Bop. Yo, baby. Secret lover.
What's up, baby?
That's my prayer. I'm a secret lover. Son of a man. People what they say.
Where the man?
Like, oh my God.
Love you.
Inshallah, you
Secret lover.
not talk. Love you like hoping me love me.
Secret lover.
So make a girl watch out. Like, they know me now left for
Secret lover. Secret lover.
I'm not like that. Tell them about.
It's a secret me have to that. Yo. Come here, John with a secret lover there. She might take a while, you know. Trust me.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a zone out look while. Zone out straight. Yeah, that song, that secret lover song there right now, I tell you say. It a go on good, you know. I love the energy of the song. I love the energy of the whole thing, but the energy of the whole concept of the song. Cause that song is bad. Trust me, but about tonight, but look at stay. Yeah, man. Play that tune, man. So, our dear man, Rica Bop. Yo. Secret lover.
Not talk. Love you like hoping me love me.
Same song, yeah.
So make a girl watch out. Like, they know me now left for
Secret lover. Yeah. Secret lover.
I'm not like that. Tell them about.
It's a secret, me happy bust that bust. Make them know how you love the Gully Bop. Everywhere you go, you me a watch. You me a talk with, you me a chat. You fit in your tights. Your eyes dreaming, me say your body sit right. You was a brother boy, couldn't get a slice. You no pan cave for your boy, come secret lover.
Not talk. Love you like hoping me love me.
Secret lover.
Girl watch out.
Alright.
Know me now left for
Secret lover. Yeah. Secret lover.
I'm not like that. Tell them about.
No girl alone want own when you got. Me not talk no with me not talk no what not. I the loving out of the Gully Bop. Dap. Him see you on the bed, him will live. Man I call you, you feel like you this. Rica, are you a running planet? While some girl them a worry and secret lover.
Not talk. Love you like hoping me love me.
Secret lover.
Girl watch out. Like, they know me now left for
Secret lover. Yeah. Secret lover.
I'm not like that. Tell them about.
Me have a secret, me happy with the big one, alright.
I know, right?
Baby. Yo, natural entertainment. Yeah, one knock, a knock. So here we are going on straight up, me I tell you say, a whole heap of tune me have, you know. Tune you can't done play. Yo, but Rica, you don't know how to play hide and seek. Yo. I love this, natural. Rica, no head, man. Bop, I take it to the world. I'm not busy with nobody. Bop, I take it to the world. All in me say like, you know, take it to the world. Me I take it to the world, man. Me say me I get it, but you know, want it, but me still I take it to the world. Nothing can stop me from take it to the world. Cause here, you say for over them a work on the lane there, to make you know want go on top of the world, me I gonna know. And you say for tie you with something in your yard, me I gonna know. Me I gonna know you know little girl. Me I gonna know. Cause right now, I no time for woman sit down and play pound, shilling and pence. And about coat or jump over fence. And eat down for Miss Nancy. Cause she ain't had no sense. Yeah. Straight up. So Rica Bop, know yourself here. Big up. OneKnockTV. Yeah. Natural entertainment. And Gully Bop. Rica. X. Bop. Tell them. So Mr. Rica, you must boss, nothing can stop you. So, Barbados and all of them places look for me and Rica. Yeah. And Rica will be there, straight up. Rica bop. Could have next till the boss with me. Now what do them?